Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. No one seems to have a firm grasp on where they think XRP is headed, and it's unclear if they're referring to my forecasts, the forecasts of the person next to me, or the projections of industry experts. Each and every one of your opinions is valuable to us. These price projections should take into account their expectations, your overall position, the length of time you've held it, whether you're an investor with a short or long-term horizon, and any other relevant factors. No one has a firm grasp on its ultimate trajectory. Also, I'll admit that the precise location is a mystery to me, but that's part of the appeal. The likelihood that it will be positive is high among us. That price estimate is what we'll be covering in this video. One expert has projected that by Christmas, the price of XRP will have risen. We should know where this is by the end of the year, or at least where we think it is, by then. I really hope that this holds true. Hopefully, we'll see it go beyond that, but we are aware that the entire coin season has not yet occurred. Will the coin market crash occur before the year is out, or will it drag on into 2025? By then, it will have been a long time since there was any significant upswing in the market, and its market valuation might reach $2.25 trillion. Which means it's good. The all-time high market cap was around $3 trillion, so we'd like to see it much higher than that. With Bitcoin and Ethereum both suffering declines, we find this at a $2.25 trillion market cap. Ethereum has seen less of a decline than Bitcoin. It's down 2.3%, Ethereum 1.3%, and Bitcoin's supremacy is dwindling, as you can see. Although being below 56% is generally good, it doesn't indicate that coin season has arrived just yet. It may be down only 0.5%, but it's still doing a colossal job, isn't it? Thus, it remains elevated at the 55 to 56% range. Here we take a look at XRP as we scroll down. Among the few things that are currently positive, XRP stands out. It's a 1.3% gain. Sure, it's down 2.4% in the past hour, but it's up around 8% over the past week, so it's one of the few things that's truly fantastic. You need look no farther than DeFi Technologies if you want to be a part of DeFi now and in the future. With the ticker symbols D, E, F, T, F, DeFi Technologies is now trading on the OTC markets as one of the few publicly listed firms that focuses on the crypto realm. Even though they've been around for quite some time, it's clear that they still have plenty of room to grow. Still, they're on the cusp of a monumental milestone, listing on the Nasdaq. Currently, DFTF is trading at $2.11, which is a rise of 2,537% year-over-year and 10,450% 5-year increase. It would appear that DeFi Technologies has good fortune whenever the cryptocurrency market does as well. I can tell you for sure that DeFi Technologies will continue to flourish, and here's a secret, we haven't even entered altcoin season yet. Coinbase, Valor, and a slew of other successful businesses with millions in assets are managed by DeFi Technologies, a holding firm that also owns a portion of these companies and infrastructures. Oh, and the price is currently 63 cents. Before falling, we witnessed this go as high as 6,666 cents. Reached a low of 64 both before and after it. At present, it has an incredible $2.5 billion in volume and a market valuation of $36 billion, so it's back at 64. Here we go, isn't it? The market cap is up 7% on a volume increase of 35%, and the circulating supply is up 56% as well. You're probably already familiar with all of my predictions, or at least those that I've heard, that we can reach a level of $5 to $10.50. Both $100 and $1,000 are certainly within the realm of possibilities. From the standpoint of a buyout or a buyback, we are still looking at $10,000 to $30,000, and some have even predicted that it will reach $1 million per coin. Now, I wouldn't say that's totally out of the question, but it seems more unlikely than comparing it to a level of $6 from 63. Whatever the case may be, let's dive into the expert prediction. XRP will reach $3 before Christmas. Just 3 months before Christmas, at its present value of 65 cents, or 63 cents, 64 cents, or something similar, an analyst from Miles G Investing argues in a separate post that XRP may hit $3. This analyst is incredibly popular and extensively followed. Its name slipped my mind. This price level was last seen about 7 years ago, but these analysts feel it is now within reach, given the current momentum in XRP, although it would require a tremendous surge to boost its value up 360% to reach $3. He said that $3 would be the lowest amount he would be willing to pay for XRP in exchange for cycle miles when asked if that was his expectation. Clearly, 2025 isn't the bottom, because this indicates he expects greater XRP evaluations even beyond that. Obviously, the current price is the lowest point, however, I am unsure as to whether it is the lowest point of the top points. Perhaps that's the direction he's leaning in. Earlier this year, Miles made public his intention to profit from his long-term XRP position between $3 and $7. He detailed how his millionaire father had sold his house for $800,000 to invest in XRP, demonstrating his faith in the cryptocurrency and its potential based on his 50 years of investing experience. According to Miles, his father considers this daring move to be the greatest success of his career. Having $800,000 worth of XRP is really absurd. A small amount will do. Yeah, I mean, that could be the case if you're hoping that $800,000 turns into $80 million, or $8 million. I mean, it's very possible that you'll have to pay exorbitant taxes if you repurchase your home, perhaps for a premium of $100,000 or $200,000, and then have any leftover money. That is not, however, going to be our topic. The location of the price estimate is the subject of our discussion. A total of $3 by the holiday season. Is it possible? To my mind, the answer is yes. Am I correct? Take a peek at $1. It has a market cap of $56 billion. There's no insanity or absurdity when we talk about a market cap of $150 billion. If we round down to 100, we're talking about easy figures. Even though it's not guaranteed, I really hope that happens by Christmas. Whether or not we witness the entire coin season take off is the determining factor. And around the 6-month mark following the halving hit, with XRP having mixed feelings about its appeal, we could witness a dramatic increase in its value. This might make a significant impact. Regarding this, I am quite enthusiastic. Regarding what is ahead, what excites me is the direction it's heading. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. When you're done, hit that subscribe button and let me know what you think.